calling Diamond Hotel. This is Anna. How may I help you?
Gusto ko po sana magpa-reserve ng room on February 14 to 15, just alone.
Hold on, ma'am. Check ko lang po kung meron tayong available room on that date. Thank you for waiting. Ma'am, meron po tayong available na room on that date.
Magkano po yung room rate niya?
Ma'am, depende po yun sa room namin. Meron po tayong economy room which is 1,200 a night, deluxe room for 2,000, and an executive room for 3,000 a night.
Okay. Pa-reserve naman ako ng executive room.
Okay, ma'am, that would cost 6,000 for 2 nights. Ma'am, can I have your name, please?
Joannes Spiritu.
Okay, Mrs. Spiritu, how will you be paying?
Through Visa card.
Ano po yung card number nila?
0905-135-8924-1234.
Okay, ma'am, your card number is 0905-135-8924-1234. Ma'am, kailan po yung expiry date ng card nila?
Sa January 3, 2015.
Okay, ma'am, so you will be here on February 14 to 15, reserving for an executive room just alone. Thank you for calling, ma'am, and have a nice day.